Okay, what's up? So, tip of the day, and then a would you rather. And eventually I want to kind of have the would you rather thing be like a real life thing and actually like interact and shit. But anyways, okay. So, the tip of the day is basically this: neuroplasticity. If you're feeling shitty, and I'm sure most of you know about neuroplasticity already, but as a reminder, if you feel like you can't do something or you're stuck or you can't change or whatever, you can, because the brain is able to adapt and create new neural connections. You can form new bridges between neurons and learn something new. And then from there, habituation, neural adaptation, you get used to it and that becomes your new normal. Let's say you're like, fuck, I can't work out, I hate working out. You can basically just force yourself to do it for 1 month, make the new neural connections, and then through habituation the next month, it's just gonna be regular to you, as if you were not exercising, so it becomes easy. So anyways, that's the tip of the day. All right, would you rather get stung by a bee every single day for the rest of your life until you die, or have to pay $100 every single time you sneezed? But here's the catch. The bees sting you only when you're having the shittiest part of your day. Worst possible moment, and that's that. Or you have to pay $100 every time you sneeze. You actually have to write a physical check to the person you hate the most in this world. Writing a check and sending it to them in the mail. Get like a personal investigator, you gotta get their addresses or something. What would you choose? Oh, and you can't get surgery on your nose. It's illegal. What would you do? I personally think I would go with the sneezing. Stung by bees, paying per sneeze. You decide. Till next time, see you later.